Hello students, today we are discussing new topic of the coordination compound, that is the isomerism. So let's get start our interactions. Isomers have the same chemical formula but different arrangement of atoms in the space. Thus they different physical and chemical properties, and hence all the phenomena is called as the isomerism. Isomerism are broadly classified into two types. First, we see the structural isomerism. It again divided into ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, and hydrated solvent isomerism. Second type is the stereoisomerism. It again divided into geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. So we see one by one. First, we see the ionization isomerism. They show the exchange of ion inside and outside the coordination sphere. Same formula but different in solution. Here red color complexes, in that ions present in the solution is the SO42 minus, but in red violet complexes the ions present in the solutions are the Br minus. Next is the linkage isomer. Same molecular formula but differ in the linkage of ligands. Same ligand is bonded to metal through different atoms. Generally, ambident ligands form such type of the isomerism. Here, red color complex show the ligand NO2 bind through the oxygen, but in yellow complex ligand NO2 bind through the nitrogen. Then next is the coordination isomerism. Different complexes ions having same molecular formula observed in complexes having both cationic and anionic complexes. Interchange of the ions takes place. Interchange of ligand takes place. In that given example, you see that the copper NH3 and platinum Cl4. This complex is the cationic form and this complex is the anionic form. But what happened? This copper have the ammonia ligand, but in that copper have the chloride ions. Here chloride ligands, and here platinum have the ligand chloride ligand, but here platinum have the ammonia ligand. So this is the interchange of the ligand takes place, hence that type of compound is called as the coordination isomerism. Next is the hydrate isomerism. They have the same molecular formula but differ in number of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere. They are also called as the solvent isomerism. Exchange of the water molecule inside and outside coordination sphere takes place. Here we see that the this violet color complex have 6 number of water inside the coordination sphere but no water outside coordination sphere. But in blue green complexes 5 number of water inside coordination sphere and 1 is the water outside coordination sphere. But in green complexes 4 number of water inside coordination sphere and 2 number of water outside the coordination sphere. Next is the A or B, they are the monodentate ligand. AA, they are the bidentate ligand with same donor atom. AB, bidentate ligand with different donor atom. Next we see the stereoisomerism. In that geometrical isomerism, when the complex have the coordination number 4, they show the square planar and tetrahedral. So first we see the which square planar complexes show the geometrical isomerism. Here Ma4 and Ma3b, they do not show the geometrical isomerism, but Ma2b2, Ma2bc, MABCD, MAB2, they show the geometrical isomerism. In coordination number 6, octahedral complexes, the MA6 type complexes does not show the geometrical isomerism. MA5b, they does not show the geometrical isomerism, but Ma4b2, Ma3b3 and Ma2AA2, they show the geometrical isomerism. In optical isomerism, Coordination 4 square planar does not show the optical isomerism, and tetrahedral complexes, they are not resolved. But coordination number 6 octahedral monodentate ligand not resolved, and bidentate ligand in that MAA3, MAA2A2 and MAA2AB they show. The geometrical isomerism are also called as the cis-trans isomerism, possible in heteroleptic complexes, identical groups on same side, hence called as the cis isomer. Identical groups on different side, they show the trans isomer, and coordination number 4 and 6 only. The geometrical isomerism in that coordination number 6, MA4B2, MA3B3, MA2AA2, these are see in last slide. Hence coordination number 4 in that cis isomers are the 1-2 position. If this 1-2 position is cis, then 2-3 position is the cis, 3-4 position is the cis, and 1-4 position is the cis. But 1 and 3, this is the transposition, and 2 and 4, this is the again transposition. Hence first we see the MA2B2 in that if the two similar groups are present at the same side, then that type of isomer is called as the cis isomer. But in that same isomers are arranged in opposite direction, then that type of complex is called as the trans isomers. Next we see the MA2BC type. Here similar groups are present at same side, called as the cis. Same groups are attached at the opposite side, the isomer is called as the trans. Next is the MAB2. In that, here you see AB2. AB means bidentate ligand but have the different donor atom. Here nitrogen, this one donor, and oxygen, this is the second donor atom. So nitrogen, similar donor atoms are at the same position, hence called this isomers called as the cis isomer. But here you see that the nitrogen and nitrogen are opposite, hence this type of isomer is called as the trans isomer. Next we see the coordination number 6 complexes. In that MA4B2, here these two identical groups are present at the same position, hence it is called as the cis isomerism. But these identical groups are present at the opposite direction, hence they are the trans isomers. In MA3B3, here this compound in that similar ligands are at the corners of triangular face, hence cis isomer or facial or FAC isomers called. Next, in this complex, similar ligands are at the any three corners at the square plane. Trans isomer or meridial or mer isomer is we called it. Next is the MA2AA2 type. AA2 means bidentate ligand, but they are the same donor atom. Here EN, they are the same donor atom and they are placed at the same side, hence these are the cis isomer. But these two bidentate ligands are placed here at opposite direction, hence it is the trans isomer. Then we see the optical isomerism. What is optical isomerism? The complex molecule or ion that are non-superimposable mirror image of each other are called the enantiomer. Enantiomers have identical properties but different in rotation of plane polarized light. Rotation of plane polarized light at right, they call the clockwise direction, called as the dextroisomer, and it is denoted by small d. But the rotation of plane polarized light at left or anti-clockwise, then that type of isomer is called as the LEVO and denoted by the small l. In this optical isomerism, square planar complexes do not show the enantiomers due to the presence of axis of symmetry and superimposable mirror images. Here optical isomerism in that coordination number 4 complexes, in that square planar complexes does not show the optical isomer, and tetrahedral they are not resolved. But in case of the complexes having coordination number 6 octahedral complexes, monodentate ligands not resolved, bidentate ligands, these are the list. Next is the optical isomerism of type 1 MAA3. AA means the bidentate ligand having the same donor atom. So here C2O4 we take, in that it is the D form, and this plays the mirror and we get the non-superimposable mirror image of the L form. Here again MAA2A2 means, for example, COEN twice Cl2 we take, in that again we get the non-superimposable mirror images, means we are getting the enantiomer DL form. Next, in that MAA2AB COEN twice NH3Cl, in that these bidentate ligands have the non-superimposable image when placing the mirror at the in between the two. Then next is the stability of the coordination compound. Stability of coordination compound can be explained by knowing their stability constants. The stability depends on the metal ligands interaction. Stronger the metal ligand interaction, greater is the stability of the complexes. For example, in stability of the complexes, here these complexes have the +3 charge, here -3 charge, and here the -4 charge. In case of this +3 charge, the presence of positive charge metal interaction is the large, but here the -3 charge, due to -3 charge repulsion is more and interaction is less, but in case of the -4 charge the repulsion is greater. Next we see the factors govern stability of the complexes. Charge to the size ratio of the metal ion, in that higher the ratio, greater is the stability. According to Irving-Williams order, this is the order of the Irving-Williams order of the divalent metal ion complexes. In that copper and cadmium have the +2 charge, but the ionic radius is different. Radius of copper divalent ion have the 69 picometer and cadmium divalent have the 96 picometer. Therefore, copper +2 have the greater ratio than that of the cadmium +2. Nature of the ligands, those of the stronger bases tend to form more stable complexes. Thank you.